just want to pop on here really quickly and do a quick video because I'm going to set up my first Scentsy Club subscription, and I didn't really understand it when I first started, but now that I've kind of like grown as a consultant and like learned a whole bunch, I've figured out that Scentsy Club is the way to go because there's a particular scent that I have tried. It's called Graham Cracker Crunch, and my mom and I are obsessed with it. And the only way that I can secure that bar for as long as I want after this season is over is through Scentsy Club because of the always get my bar feature, which is what that little icon is right there. So I think I'm going to set it up to where I get 2 Graham Cracker Crunch wax bars every quarter. I think that would be a reasonable amount because I do like to rotate scents. I'm busy right now. And so yeah, I'm just gonna set that up because there's no minimums for Scentsy Club. So I just want to show you how to do it. If you're interested, you'll go to my website, and then on the menu bar it says Scentsy Club, and that's where we are now. There is a video you can watch and learn about, but I think I'm gonna cover everything. I'm gonna create a subscription. Am I logged in? Let's see. If you're not logged in, you have the chance to log in when you're checking out, because I've been messing with this for a couple days, trying to see. Okay, I'll log in when I'm ready to check out. So, one thing that I'm going to be doing is the Scentsy wax bars. I'm going to go down here and find the scent I want because, so right now we're in the fall and winter catalog for this season until January, I think, is when we'll transition to the next spring and summer catalog. So after that, Graham Cracker Crunch is not guaranteed to be in the next catalog, so I'm going to find it and get it every quarter, every 3 months, because I need it. It's so good for wax like mixer. I put it with Fairy Tale Pumpkin in my cloud warmer back there, and it's freaking good. It smells so good. Here we go, Graham Cracker Crunch. I'm gonna do 2 bars. Gonna add it. And I could check out now, but I think I want to add a body wash. Let's see, we got this one. Raspberry sorbet, cotton candy, and fluffy marshmallow. Okay, I think I want that one. Review subscription. And I'm just gonna log in, or you can create an account right there. I'm thinking bi-monthly maybe instead of quarterly. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. I am $9 away from the club discount. Do I want to add more? I don't know. Let's go back. Trying to decide if there's anything else I want every other month. Let me see. I think maybe I'll find another wax bar that I like. I like the cardboard clips. I think those are $9. Yeah. So these come in a 2-pack. That's why I like them, because you can put them either one at a time in your car on your vents, or you can share one with a friend. Okay, weathered leather. If you like it, it's for you. This is the scent that I hate the most. I probably shouldn't say that. I should probably just say it's not for me, but weathered leather, I don't know why we still have it. It's so weird. I like maple apple bourbon. Let's see, but cider mill is so good. I've had black raspberry vanilla before. I liked those. I'm kind of thinking I want. I'm gonna choose between cider mill and maple apple bourbon. I'm gonna do this one. Cool. Okay. Bi-monthly, and I'll process it immediately on the 7th day of the month, and you can choose a different day. Let's see. Subscription items. Cool. So I am at the $30 minimum for the 10% discount, and I think that's where I'm going to sit for now for the every other month part. If I think I want to add bricks in a little while for like maybe in a couple months, every quarter, and then that one I'll probably do quarterly and do like a $60 total, because at $60 you get a half price item. So if I were to add like a whiff box right now, I could get something for half price. But let's see, continue to shipping. Yeah, and so then I'm just gonna add my payment and checkout, and it'll be on its way to me. Be charged for the first shipment, and then you can always manage it. So even if I want to change the scent of my cardboard clip before the next time it processes, then I can do that. Or, you know, change to the body wash that I'm gonna get, and then you're getting that 10% discount, which is the way to go with Scentsy, because I use a lot of it and I love discounts anywhere I can get them. So I hope this was helpful. I think I'm going to end the live video here. You know, comment below if you have questions on how to get your subscription started, or, you know, what would be good to bundle on a subscription. So yeah, let's see. 7 minutes. I feel like I did a good job because I didn't ramble. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.